Welcome to Market Snapshot from the InCred Equities desk. In this podcast, our expert from the equities research team helps you navigate the stock markets with a quick roundup on the previous day's closing, along with relevant insights. Whether you are an experienced investor or starting out, this podcast will equip you to take informed decisions.
Good morning, everyone. Nifty was seen struggling around 200 exponential moving average on daily charts. It tried to witness a bounce back, but the second half again came with its own set of challenges. Nifty as well as Bank Nifty both were seen struggling, more so for the Nifty. And even the broader markets, though they ended on a positive note, but the kind of move from 200 exponential moving average on broader markets, one would expect that too. If you add positive divergences in respective RSIs, one would have expected a more stronger bounce, but that was not seen. It was still more of a struggle sort of coming in. Bank Nifty was one that tried to give some support. Apart from that, almost all the sectors were trading under pressure. On weekly charts also, many of the sectors are looking weak. Nifty has closed below its 200 exponential moving average. This is not the first time. Whether this is a brief fall that has happened or whether we'll see a continued fall, that one will have to see. But for now, RSI has still not made a fresh low, meaning that the divergences are still there. And if Nifty sustains around 23,400, 450, we may sort of see a bounce back going forward. US markets closed on a negative note, on a very weak note. They were down 1.5%. Interestingly, if you look at US markets on a weekly chart, something which I've shown in my weekly report, it has reversed from what we know as a rising wedge pattern, and another 3 to 4% downfall in S&P 500 cannot be ruled out. There is an island reversal in Nasdaq index daily chart, so that is also showing some amount of negativity, and expectations are that 2-3% fall can be seen over there as well. If that happens, coupled with the fact that Indian markets are trading below the 200 exponential moving average, we may see some more challenges in the week coming forward. Dollar index has swiftly moved above 106, 106.5. That has also seen a good breakout, a foreign trend breakout. As long as it sustains above 105.5, it can go towards 107.5. A close above 107.5 can lead towards a rise to 110 levels, which then can see good amount of pressure not only in the bullion markets but the equity markets as well. GIFT Nifty is pointing towards a 125 points fall as we speak. In all likelihood, we'll open on a negative note. If you don't see a bounce back towards the second half trading session, then the entire week is likely to be seen trading in the negative bias, where your 200 exponential would then become a resistance, and people might use any rise to create fresh shorting opportunities. Safe traders, be away from index trading for the time being. Risk takers, if Nifty doesn't make a swing low, and if there's a divergence coming on the 15 minutes chart on Monday, then we can see a good amount of bounce back sort of coming in. If not, then the pressure may still continue to go forward. So be very careful, be very stock specific. Do not be too aggressive on index also at this point in time. Bank Nifty is going to be key. 49,000, 49,500 is going to be a major support area. Nifty Bank is trading in a rising channel, the supports of which are at 49, 49,500, apart from 200 exponential, which it's currently trading at. So that will be from my side. Thank you.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.